Street. Dun sa taas. Or mukha lang akong chick.
Water me!
POV na sa gitna ka ng mga Chinese. Yung spinach talaga. Hello guys! Parang wala na ako ibang ginawa dito kundi kumain.
Super excited.
Thank you so much.
Aesthetic siya bro.
Welcome po, sir.
Diba? Na para bang si Catherine Bernardo yung bumaba. Na para bang ang pa-welcome ay big celebrity. Thank you, Bellevue, for that. Mabuhay po. Yun pala yung winelcome eh. Grabe, kaya pala ganun yung pa-welcome eh. Daniel Padilla din pala yung winelcome kanina.
Okay naman. Okay.
Nagulat ako, sabi sa akin, welcome Miss Catherine. Ah, thank you po. Ball vibe.
Ball bye!
Grabe, magkano yan? Hi, ate! Hey guys, it's official and I can finally say this. Welcome to the paradise of Bohol! Yes, and we just checked in dito sa room. And by the way, you guys, we are staying here sa Bellevue Resort. But for now, I'm gonna show you guys how spacious, how luxury, how beautiful our room. Let's go! Hey guys, good evening, kakagising lang namin. Grabe. Grabe yung parang wala naman kami masyadong ginawa. Pero yung pagod namin, hindi namin alam bakit ganun. Ganun kalala na until now parang ayoko na lang bumangon. But we have dinner ng 7 p.m. So ayun, kailangan namin bumangon at mag-ayos. Yun, kakatapos lang namin mag-ayos. Grabe naman yung outfit na yan. Diba? Ang refresh natin. Diba? BJ Pascual and Kylie Versosa.
Talikod ka, Glenn. Hey!
Dito na kami sa venue kung saan gaganapin yung welcome dinner. And grabe, sobrang ganda nung setup. Bagay na bagay sa mga outfits namin. Siyempre, vlog to, so dapat todo tayo. I'm gonna show you guys how my outfit looks like. Wait. There you go. This is my outfit looks like. Actually, nung camsur namin, I'm just wearing tank top lang din. But that time, kasi since hindi ako ganun ka-prepared, basic top lang siya talaga na tank top. But now, tank top pa rin, but look at the details at the back. Diba? It's giving backless talaga. Wala lang, parang ang peg ko sa outfit ko tonight is very BJ Pascual. That's clean look na parang slick pa rin. And for my makeup, very magulo na hair lang. Tamang gloss, tapos glowy na makeup. But yeah. Diba? Ang ganda ko na parang wala lang, ang ganda ko.
And action.
Is that
Sige, Jay. Yung video mo rin kasi crap lang. GoPro ka tayo.
Ayan.
Handa na ba ako?
Or ako.
Or ikaw?
Kuya natanggal. Grabe na parang. Amen! Na parang nasa simbahan po tayo po.
Amen.
Amen.
Siya po yung angel.
Angel of ano? Alright. Parang kang... Parang atin
Yung bridesmaids, sa unahan po yung bridesmaids. Tapos next na po yung mga groomsmen.
Mga kapatid, ilabas po natin ang ating good fun.
po yung bride.
Dito ako ng bride.
Ay wow. Akala ko sponsor. Ito pala yung bride eh. Hello po. Ay manika, di gumagalaw. Ay dahil siya.
Here in Panglao, Bohol, is pagpapatuloy natin to kahit LDR tayo.
Bago ang lahat, tatanungin ko muna sa inyo, sino ang first timer sa Bohol? Ang dami palang first
Ang dami
timer.
first-
Bohol, andito kami ngayon ng Team Luzon. Team Luzon!
Nasa TV na ako.
Ready sila sa puksaan. But first and foremost, because this is going to be our first night together, it's not the most ideal situation.
Isang no jumping. Baka pwede din. Outro lang pa. Isayin natin. Pwede ba? Siguro masayo dito. Nasa gitna na ako.
Hey guys, good morning. Today is November 4 and it's currently 5:53 in the morning. Breakfast is 6 a.m. Just to update you guys, it's still raining dito sa Bohol. I don't know kung anong signal number na dito, pero grabe, walang tigil yung ulan. Hopefully, mag-stop na siya para magawa na namin yung mga planned namin na activities dito sa resort and sa buong Panglao. Kasi before kami pumunta ng airport yesterday, medyo hindi na ganun kaganda yung panahon. And nagtuloy-tuloy siya hanggang pagdating namin dito sa Panglao. And good thing, hindi na-cancel yung flight namin yesterday. And nakarating kami dito sa Bohol ng safe. Wait guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung view dito sa labas ng room namin. And as you can see, hindi nyo man naririnig ngayon, pero grabe, sobrang lakas ng hangin. And non-stop yung ulan. I don't know what to feel, pero I'm still happy and grateful that we are here. Of course, safe. Ayun, so yeah, maybe magpe-prepare na ako ngayon and isasama ko kayo later sa breakfast namin with the team. Ano? Let's go! So, ang first natin ita-try is their adobo kasi kanina pa naamoy ko na to eh. Let's try. Sarap naman siya, no? Okay. Like, just the standard adobo. Parang ganito ako magluto ng adobo. Sarap siya. So good. Ang sarap. Sarap na adobo. Okay. Kanina, yung spinach talaga yung medyo parang nagdadalawang isa pa kukunin kasi akala ko medyo parang steam siya, but this one is medyo dry. But let's see kung anong lasa niya. This is how it looks like. Let's eat. Okay. Spinach. But I think good to with sauce. Okay siya. And kanina, while checking the food, etong tofu stir fry yung medyo malakas yung amoy. But let's see. Yes. Ang sarap. Ganito siya. Wow. This one's so good. And part din ng diet ko pala yung tofu. That's why kumuha tayo ng stir fry tofu. Wow. Sarap. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my resort. Yes, sobrang sarap na tulog ko. Hey guys, so update, kakatapos lang namin mag-breakfast, tumigil na yung ulan, and lumabas na yung araw, and gumanda na yung panahon para makapunta na kami sa dagat kasi since day 1 ng punta namin dito, hindi pa kami nakakapunta dun sa pinakadagat mismo. Gustong gusto ko na mag-swimming, to be honest. Yung breakfast sobrang the best kasi ang sasarap ng food. Nasira yung diet ko, but still, it's a perfect breakfast for me. Mamaya, may mga activities yata kami na gagawin, and yeah, I'm looking forward for more activities dito sa island. Guys, so we're on our way to our lunch with the team. So sabi nila Hawaiian chic daw yung theme this lunch. And wala na akong mga printed sa closet ko. And nahanap ko tong floral top na to. Actually, this top, damit to ni David Kison. Parang, I don't know if sa BU ko siya nabili. But this is owned by the one and only David Kison. So yeah, excited na ako ulit kumain. Parang wala na ako ibang ginawa dito kundi kumain. So ayun, let's go! So we are back at Marea for our lunch with the bros. Are you excited to eat, bro?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, let's go.
Like how excited?
Super excited.
Para namang ano? Are you
Sobrang excited.
Sarap.
Kasing sarap ko. Galing. And ayun nga, ang aming theme this afternoon is Hawaiian chic. Tama ba? Or mukha lang akong chick. But anyways, this is my outfit. Hindi na ako nagsusuot ng floral or something printed. But today, JM and printed. Grabe, alam mo mga papansin yung mga kasama ko na ang dami mga sinasabi. Kasi sobrang, hindi ko alam kung nagagandahan lang ba sila or ano.
Gutom lang.
Oo, diba? Ano nangyayari, guys?
Ano talaga siya? May sipit
Oh!
Uy, may sipit magalaw.
Wow!
Paano ba mo kay Jason? Di ba yung bakla yung masarap?
Masarap yung bakla.
Baklangan.
Maalig eh.
Ay! Totoo ba yan, Miss Ace?
Chismis lang narinig ko. Di ko pa natikman.
Pero kung titikman naman ni Jason, parang...
Mas dinakmayan lang natin pa talikod.
Ay, kaya ko. Feeling ko. Bro, wala na lang.
Hindi pa naka-experience.
Mabuhay!
So, Sir Kenneth will
Dito ka kaya, ano? Nakaharap siya. Ayan, yun na, yun na.
Galak, bro. Hey, may kainuman na ako mamaya. Good night.
Congratulations, Alec Bobby.
Who's next? Who's next?
Wala mag-i.
Okay, yan. Ano na? Tara.
Akala mo naman talaga siya. Ay, meron pa pala doon. Ito pala yung huli ko kanina. Kaya niluto na niya. Ay, niluto agad? Yes naman. Pero joke lang. Sige. Hey guys, just got back sa room namin and kakatapos lang ng lunch namin. Sobrang naparami kami ng kain and sana hindi kami makatulog kasi kailangan namin bumaba ng 4 p.m. para sa hinandang activities ng Bellevue for us. So yeah, maybe magre-rest na lang kami or mag-edit para hindi kami makatulog. So yun, we'll see you again later. Let's go. Hey guys, good evening. It's currently 8:17 and yes, we are back at Lumian Restaurant for our dinner. This is actually our day 2 here in Bohol and I'm super happy na, medyo umaayos na yung panahon. And again, I'm excited for our food for tonight. We're just waiting for the others na lang and then we're going to do like a little party tonight with the live band. This is how the tacos looks like up close. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Grabe. Pinilit ko yung one bite. So good. This is the ube yam stew with takla. This one is stewed purple yam, simmered in coconut milk, aromatics, and native snapping shrimps from Calapi. This is how it looks like up close. It looks like dessert pero stew talaga siya.
No, takla.
Thank you. Walang takla. So, ube yam stew lang siya. Thank you, Bellevue. Kasi allergic ako sa seafood. Wait. So good. Grabe, sobrang sarap. I mean, iba yung lasa niya. Not the usual, Pero yung texture niya parang Cerelac. Alam mo yung Cerelac?
Pero gravy na lang sa ko, gravy. May mix na.
Yeah.
Yung ano sa mashed potato.
Mashed potato, tama.
Ang masarap yung feeling.
Oh my gosh, this is... Bon appetit!
Akala ko
Wow. Alright, you guys, for our panghimagas, we have ube turon a la tart. Hey guys, finally the sun is out! Oh my gosh, by the way, ito yung full view ng room namin dun sa taas. Sobrang ganda. And now, mas nakikita ko yung kagandahan ng Bellevue Resort and the island. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Never pa ako nakaapak dun sa sand since day one. Kasi hindi nga maganda yung weather. But today, I think this is the right time. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so nice. I'm excited to do tanning. I'm excited to shoot sa beach. I'm excited to swim. Lahat sobrang excited ako gawin. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day for us. What a blessing. Super thankful for Vlogga Fam. Dinala nila kami dito sa Bohol.
Pero sa November pa naman, di ba? Thank you, Bachila. Uy.
So good, bro.
Buti kumakain ka ng okra.
Yung mga artist of the day. We are done having our lunch today. And I'm so full. Like literally full. Anyways, may tree planting kami later. Sana madala ko yung camera. Oh, jeep.
Bellevue Jeep.
Oh, nice.
Belgium.
Paano pa masahe?
Ha?
Magkano pa masahe?
10 pesos daw.
Pamura. Pamura. Ah, thank you.
Para later.
Thank you. May pa-umbrella sila. Wow. Kuya. May pa-jeep. Grabe, jeep yung sasakyan namin today. Wow. Bellevue. Bellevue Jeep. Na parang sa safari ba tayo pupunta?
Yes, hello! Welcome to the safari tour!
Ay, wow.
That is.
Na parang ka naman totoo.
What a wonderful miss!
Welcome to Safari, bro.
Ito pa lang.
Bro.
Siya pa ba?
Dito po.
And then more calamansi juice po.
Pero kulay pink oh.
Sayang aso. Ay, pilay siya.
beautiful view. Yeah!
Palakpak.
So, agree ba kayo? Agree ba kayo?
Again daw po, di na narinig.
Again, di narinig ni Miss Ed.
For the third time. Yes.
May
For the
bonus.
third time po, ma'am, sir. So,
Ang cute mo. Turn it. Wow. Look at that. It looks... I'll get it. Ay, meron din dito.
On the dance floor, the lights are low.
Water me!
Perfect scene, we go. Heartbeats pounding, a rhythm so fast.
Pretty now. Si Ariana Grande.
Tea plus the mint leaves. And why we're using this way of
Yes, did you say, is it from gunpowder?
yes, actually, yeah, it's not the gun.
Oh.
Technically, the black seeds of tea, we're calling them gunpowder. Yes. Yeah.
I wanna try.
What do you think? Is it good? It's good. Thank you.
Why is it like...
It could be better if we use if we made it in a different way, but this is what we can offer you at the moment. I hope that you really like it. Yeah. Yeah. Normally we use the Moroccan mint, but in Fluho we're trying to make it a big fusion with all the locals ingredients.
So good. So good evening guys. So tonight we are here at Fluho Cafe. We're going to try different kind of teas, coffee, and also pastries. Pwede pa try? Here are the pastries. Ooh. There's a lot, no? Let's try first this one. What's this? Ah, burnt cheese. Oh. Truffle. Tas sandwiches to mga to. I see. By the way, that's Alec.
Hi guys, what's up?
This is mocha, you guys. Oh. Bro, this is strong. God. What's this? Yeah.
And so are you.
Tapang, bro. OA lang ako. Pero may sipa talaga.
May sipa siya. As in, balance talaga yung coffee, yung mocha tablea, and yung mismong liquor.
Like ilang percentage yung...
Siguro mga 8%.
8%?
Yeah.
Oh, 8%. That's truffle?
Yeah, for sure.
Sarap. Truffle mushroom. So good. I love. Oh yes. Nagtanggal ako ng leather jacket kasi super in. So this is the calamay eclair. You guys. Let's try. Ooh. Uy bro, so good. Meron siyang chocolate filling. Here. So good. Kain ka muna. Try this one.
Sarap siya. Well, not the best, pero it's good. Kasi sa Japan, sobrang sarap ng ma-eclair. As in, parang isa yun sa mga ina-uplift nila, desserts. Kasi yung mga Japanese hindi mahilig sa desserts.
Wala nang boses yan. Tapos na yung puksaan and now we're heading to lunch. And awarding! Totoong puksaan yung nangyari, no?
Yun yung maksaan, te.
Anyways, late na kami. See you guys later! Hey guys, after puksaan, chichibog tayo kasi sobrang nakakapagod yung mga ginawa namin kanina ng mga games. Like, ibang level siya unlike nung mga seasons leg namin na ginawa sa puksaan. This time, dinoble nila at nilagyan pa nila ng twist. Yun talaga yun. And now, chichibog tayo kasi hindi tayo kumain last night ng maayos. So, let's go! Mikay!
Hello, hi. Hello, JM's viewers. JM's followers. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Super fun. It was fun, but kind of traumatizing, not gonna lie. But, you know, we really had to pull ourselves together para sa Blogafam that were with us, yung Vismin creators. Tapos super miss namin yung Luzon sa kayo. Tapos nakikita na lang namin yung mga videos and photos ninyo. And then like we were just like, oh, sana all.
Pero memorable yung inyo talaga.
Very. Oh, that's nice. Thank you so much for appreciating us. Hoy!
Ano siya, Survivor Philippines. Yung sa inyo.
Parang ganun, oo. As in, literal.
Kain ka na. Here's the food, you guys. Don't mind my sugat sa finger. But yeah. Yung last niya, 5.
But if there's one thing that's happened that I'm grateful about,
GGI. Pero hindi naman ito sponsored ah. Nagbili lang ako.
Hello po.
Sa isda. Nalagay ko sa...
Gusto ko ng
Gusto mo ng ano?
Uy, mga favorite JM ko.
Choose one.
Wala. Luzon, Visayas.
Bye-bye.
I choose myself.
Pinahirapan siya. Attendance check. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello po, pa-attendance po.
Ano? Ayan, thank you. I'll follow you back. Mindanao, ikaw din. Oh, teammate ko pala. Hello, vlog. Hello, vlog.
Hello, hi guys.
Hello, guys. Wala
So
lang.
we have 1,000 pesos, guys. You can see what's the color of the 1,000 pesos. This is my first time, guys, seeing 1,000 pesos here
Wow.
in Bellevue, and you should you should try visit Bellevue.
1,000 peso review. Grabe yun. Dito si Popcorn. Bakit Popcorn ang dito ko? Kasama ko si Doc.
Sige, doon ako sa shower.
Maria. Si Doc kasama. Eh, ang cute ng Popcorn. I like it.
Parang ang tawag dun? Ano yung tawag? Call sign? Ang tawag nga dun?
Ano naman ng calls? Pang tito.
Endearment.
Endearment.
Call of endearment. Ay, tama ba?
May popcorn, may Alaska.
Parang gusto ko mag-flu. Maganda sa flu.
Saan ka ba?
Sa Maria. So, naliligaw na kami kasi mag-shoot kami sa buong Bellevue Resort. Tapos may iba-iba kaming schedule per location.
Wala si JM na isa.
Ah, okay. Pinabalik ko. No, Maria ako eh. I'm with Doc yata.
Ay, JM, right?
Like right now na po yung shoot, no?
Yes, B.
Yes po.
JM. Upo ka na. Dito.
Okay. Wow. Anyway guys, we're just waiting na lang sa instruction nila kung ano talaga yung mangyayari sa shoot. I think very quick lang naman siya. But yeah, this is gonna be exciting. Grabe, sobrang quick lang naman yung eksena ng shoot na to, pero parang hirap na hirap kami. Kasi paikot sa resort, like one shot lang yata siya. Na
Tagalog na.
Half a day.
bibigyan talaga.
Maka-as my check-in.
Oo nga, Dok. Hello guys! Last day namin dito sa Bellevue. Grabe, mamimiss ko dito. Parang dami namin pinagdaanan dun sa 4 days na yun. Binagyo, nagkagulo. May walang gulo naman na nangyari. Anyways, yun. We're just chilling na lang here for the last hours na stay namin dito and we're waiting for the food and for the dinner. Yun. Walang sunset pero okay lang. Ganda pa rin ng view. Spinach, bro. Hey guys, so we are back at Lamian Restaurant. Grabe, wala na akong boses. And yun, umorder kami dun kanina malapit sa pool ng food and hindi namin naubos. And now, nandito ulit kami sa Lamian for our last dinner here sa Bellevue. And what I've got is yung matagal ko ng wishlist dito sa restaurant nila, which is yung pasta. They have this bolognese pasta and then chicken. Basta chicken siya na may spinach and white, white sauce. Kung ano man to, basta let's try and tignan natin kung magugustuhan natin siya. One thing for sure magugustuhan ko kasi lahat naman ng food nila dito masarap. So,